In my younger and more vulnerable years, my father gave me some advice. Always try to see the best in people, he would say. As a consequence, I'm inclined to reserve all judgments. But even I have a limit. Back then, all of us drank too much. The more in tune with the times we were, the more we drank. And none of us contributed anything new. When I got back from New York, I was disgusted. Disgusted with everything and everything. Only one man was exempt from my disgust. There was a boy, Gatsby, a very strange and gentle boy. They say he wandered very far over land and sea. He was the single most hopeful person I'd ever met. A little shy inside of life, but very wise person. The Moulin Rouge, a nightclub, a dance hall, and a bordello, ruled over by Harold Zidler, a kingdom of nighttime pleasures where the rich came to play with the young and beautiful creatures of the underworld. The most beautiful of these was the woman I loved, Satine. A courtesan, she sold her love to men. They called her the sparkling diamond, and she was the star of the Moulin Rouge. And then one day, this is a story about love. And he came my way. The woman I love is so good. The greatest thing you'll ever learn